Hello beautiful people, today we have task number 3, practical example of Security Operations Center. This is the last part of Introduction to Cybersecurity module. After this we'll start a new one. I can't wait for that. So let's go. We use a firewall to stop an ongoing attack in this task. A firewall is a device that inspects network packets entering and leaving a network or a system. The most basic types of firewall inspect source and destination of IP addresses. An IP address is a logical address that allows you to communicate over the internet. One analogy is the postal address. For example, a company needs a valid postal address to send and receive parcels. Think of the IP packet as a mail parcel. Source and destination port numbers where applicable. A computer has an IP address. Furthermore, each program on the computer needs a port number to communicate over the network. Back to our analogy, a port number would be similar to a room number within a company. Or in other words, source destination, the IP, is basically a street and the port is the number, more specific on that street. Here we can see, I know that I just went right through it. Here we see a castle protected by a wall. In our case, the path is the communication layer, and there we have a firewall built. A firewall rule might be similar to the following. We have two sources IP addresses. We have a destination address, our address and the destination. The source port, we can send it over any port or receive it under any port. The destination port is 80. The action is pass. Right, so for this one, let's say the request is passed, but for the second one, the request is dropped. The above two rules dictate the following. All IP packets from the source IP address 172.16.41 to the destination IP 10.10.10.41 to the destination port number 80 will be allowed, hence passed. All IP packets from the source IP 172.16.81 to the destination IP 10.10.10.81 to the destination port number 23 will be blocked, hence dropped. Click on the view side to begin the simulation. As a member of the Security Operations Center team, while monitoring the network and system, you noticed one malicious IP address attacking one of the company's computers. It seems that they are targeting many destination ports with malicious packets. It seems best if we block them at the firewall level. All right, let's see. We start the simulation. We have here two computers that request something from us, and here we have a router. I see the destination. The destination is our IP and 198. Okay, this will drop. This will reset, I think. Yes, restart simulation. And we have to be quick. We are this source IP to the destination. This destination port is the router port. Will go 8080 drop. I placed it. Yeah, this was it. This was it, the rule. The rule was that I went for the... Okay, let me explain that. Answer the questions below. Add the necessary firewall rule to block the ongoing attack. What is the flag that you have received after successfully stopping the attack? We just received the flag. Let's paste it here. Congratulations! Okay, so what happened here is... Let me see if I can restart this. Okay, I can explain it. So I just blocked the source IP to our destination on port 8080, which is the default proxy port, but the ongoing traffic was under the port 80. Port 80 is basically the HTTP port. Cool. All right, let's go to the path. We have the certificate. All right, let's go to learn. Here we see learning paths. Pre-security and introduction to cybersecurity are complete both. Now we have, let's see what we have. We have security engineer. Obviously we have the other ones. We have security operations center level 1. Also I see that a lot is complete from web fundamentals and complete beginner. Okay, now let's get rid of everything with beginner just to make sure that we are done with that. That being said, the next path will be complete beginner. Let's resume. I'm excited. So tomorrow we'll continue from complete beginner, a new path. Until then, have a nice day. Bye.